Oh, God, get the hell up out of here. What's the deal? What? See, yeah, with this shit again. Hey man, time clock still acting up, bro. I just talked to them about that yesterday. They said they were gonna fix it. They still ain't fix it. All right, man. I don't know. They've been doing that for the past 2 weeks. They ain't got time for them to be fucking up my money now. I ain't got time for this. You gonna work? I'm ready to go. I've been here since 2 o'clock. It is now 10:30. It's time to go. No, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Let them deal with it. Let them deal with it, bro. I'm not doing this.